And welcome back to the California Gardener. I know it's been a long time since I made a video and people have been asking me where you're at, are you making videos? Well, this is my work in progress, but I wanted to show you the absolute mayhem that we had. Crazy windstorm here on the west coast, destroyed the pier down by White Rock, and it absolutely destroyed my greenhouse. Look at this, absolutely destroyed, blew pieces all the way to the front yard up there, and it's a mangled mess. So, say goodbye to the greenhouse. I'm gonna have to, maybe I'll get another one. This one's destroyed. Pieces are all bent and broken, so that's unfortunate. Look at that. Just twisted the metal like crazy. Man, it must have been windy. But hey, look, we got a new house now. All built up, working on the landscaping. Gonna build a fence here around our berry bushes, blueberries, raspberries. Gonna landscape this with grass. We have some fruit trees out there along the other edge. We planted, made a big wood platform out of the Douglas firs that we cut down. These are huge beams, they're like 4x12s. Nice big platform there. But hey, since this is a gardening video, I do have some of my garden growing still. We did plant some stuff this year and got some good produce. I planted some different things at the beginning of August just to make myself a winter garden, and it's now, tomorrow is Christmas, and you see, even though it's been below freezing here in several days, I planted several different types of kale, some beets and carrots, which are all cold resistant, and look how great this stuff is doing. We've been eating fresh salads off this stuff even in the winter, and that's a great thing on the coast. It's like it's not freezing for long periods of time, so these green vegetables will survive. This is a type of kale over here. I got some beets right there. The carrots did really nicely. They're a decent size right now. And this is that dinosaur kale stuff. This is great, really mild flavored. I love this stuff. And then over here, I think this one's called a red Russian kale. It's great too. And so all these little lovely things have been used to help us make our greens fresh out of the garden. We've been eating these since about October maybe, so October to now. You see, we've been cutting them down and using them a lot. I also grew some baby bok choy, but the bugs really destroy them. I had about 3 really nice ones, but the slugs just eat these things to pieces, and they're really good. I think I'll plant them again next year, but I have to put something around them to deter the slugs. Okay, well, that's it for gardening in BC. You see, I still have, this is the remnants of our corn patch here. There's still some nice Swiss chard growing here from the summer. It's pretty cold tolerant as well. There's another type of big kale. These all planted themselves from a seed plant that we had here since prior to moving out. Oh man, look, all my plants are tipped over from the wind. Oh well. Well, check it out. Christmas tree up there in the house. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for watching. I will be making more videos in the spring when we're reworking this yard and getting everything together, maybe building my new greenhouse. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go catch some fish out on the pond. See you later. Have a happy new year.